how to turn off or on Realmojis notifications on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on easy and quick. First open BeReal and then click on your profile here. After that click these 3 points and then just click now just click notifications and scroll down until you find Realmojis, and that's it. Then just turn it off or on, and that's it. Then and click save, and if you can't find it, just go to App Store or Play Store and make sure your BeReal is updated. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.